Hey everybody, this is Andrew Connell, and I wanted to take a minute and talk to you a little bit about the SPFest conference that's coming up in Chicago. I've got two workshops at this conference. I want to tell you a little bit about them. I guess I've got to get ready because you can see here, it's nice and warm here in Florida, but in Chicago, it won't be. So, I'm ready, right? It's going to be cold. Hey, I've got two workshops. The first one is a full day workshop on mastering the SharePoint Framework. If you've never done anything with the SharePoint Framework, this will be a great primer for you to get up to speed, understand the dev toolchain, a whole bunch of other pieces related to the SharePoint Framework. And if you've spent some time with the SharePoint Framework, then you're going to learn some stuff too. We're going to cover how to get data out of the SharePoint Framework and out of SharePoint REST API, working with the Microsoft Graph API, and many, many other areas. I've got a half-day workshop on the second day as well that's going to kind of add on to the first day. Or if you don't go to the first one, that's okay. The second one, though, is all about React in the SharePoint Framework. So if you've never spent any time with React, this is going to be a great workshop for you. It's going to be a great primer to get up and running and get up to speed. And then we're also going to dive a little bit deeper on how you can use the SharePoint Framework and React together, the Office UI Fabric and Fabric React controls for some reusable components. And then we're even going to look at how we can implement testing with our React-based applications in the SharePoint Framework, even those that use Fabric React. I hope you can join me in Chicago. I'm really looking forward to this conference later this year.